There's a reason this person has stayed at a distance, and it's not simply because they stopped caring. I am getting a strong sense around how they handled you, because Six of Cups is what I see the very first card as. But there's another layer here. They are not angry or upset. They are afraid you may have reached a point where hearing from them would mean nothing to you. King of Cups here. So just stay with me, because later I want to look at what they would actually say if they could drop the pride. Sun card. If they could actually drop the pride, and why your silence has affected them more than they expected. Okay, than they expected. Right now, this connection seems emotionally unfinished. There may have been separation, there may have been no contact, period where one person stopped trying to explain themselves. What changed recently is that their confidence around the situation has started to crack, is what I say. Okay, it has started to crack over here. Seven of Swords in reverse. The contradiction is interesting here. They can look distant, they can look detached, even completely fine from the outside, while internally they are revisiting certain moments here. And this actually feels like I don't want this person. Five of Wands, Four of Cups in reverse, and Ace of Wands in reverse. Okay, I don't know how to face this person after what happened. It's going on in their mind, and that brings us to that brings us into their current thoughts, because this is where the energy becomes much more personal here. I'm getting that they replay one particular interaction, or maybe a conversation, or maybe a decision, and it may not, oh my god, okay, death card here. It may not be the biggest event in the relationship. It's the moment where they believe. Two of Wands in reverse. It's a moment where they believe you finally saw a side. You finally saw a side of them they wish you hadn't. They think about what you might have felt afterward. They wonder whether you judged them, whether you lost respect for them, and whether you see them as someone who hurt you without caring enough. All right, there's one card that fell out. Let me quickly pick it up for you. Oh my god, Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. But the unexpected, if you may ask me, the unexpected part is this that I'm about to say. They are not as certain about your feelings as they used to be. Okay. They may have expected you to remain emotionally available. Your silence, your reduced reaction, your simply, the fact that you stopped making their emotions easier for them to read has created doubt here. They can't tell whether you are waiting, healing, angry, or genuinely moving forward here. And that's true. And that uncertainty is actually bothering them. This is where the energy gets interesting also, by the way, guys, because I don't think the distance is only about fear of rejection. It feels connected to shame, as well. This person, they know that coming back would require some level of accountability also, which in the past they didn't. They can't just appear and pretend nothing happened. Part of them knows you may ask questions they don't have comfortable answers for. Queen of Swords, you have become practical. Okay, and they know it, they can sense it. The cards are just so. If this is already describing your situation, guys, comment with what you honestly feel right now. Okay, do you still want this person to reach out, or has the silence changed you? I generally like to know. I do read comments as well, by the way, and if you're enjoying this reading, stay with me because the hidden part is coming next. Like this particular reading to connect with my energies and to open the channel of energies to welcome them in your life and to activate them in your life. All right, comment down below I claim and subscribe to my channel. So, what they are hiding is not simply that they still have feelings, it's that they are embarrassed by how vulnerable they actually feel about you now. There may be jealousy here because I do see that, I do sense that. But I don't see it as the main story. It feels more like the thought of you becoming emotionally unavailable triggers the realization that they no longer have the same place in your life. Okay, they may have assumed they could return whenever they were ready. Okay, whenever they were ready. 10 of Pentacles, guys. Okay, so now they are questioning whether that door is still open, because 10 of Pentacles, they always wanted this with you, the stability, the marriage, the security, at least a relationship stability, and now they want to know whether it is still open for them or not. And underneath that is regret. Your energy meanwhile feels different. You are becoming less interested in decoding them and more interested in protecting your own peace, it seems. You may still have feelings, but you are not carrying the connection in the same way. That shift matters because they can no longer rely on your energy to keep the relationship emotionally alive. Okay, Six of Wands, Ten of Wands, and Four of Wands, guys. Four of Wands. Six of Wands is also a very good card. So, and this is why their shame has become such a powerful block. Ten of Wands and Three of Wands. The longer they wait, the harder the first message feels. They know that, hey, may not be enough. They may need to acknowledge what happened, and that makes them hesitate. Okay, that makes them hesitate. So what happens next? The strongest possibility I am seeing is not an instant dramatic reconciliation, trust me. Okay, it's it's a gradual attempt to test the emotional temperature. Okay, there could be a message, indirect interaction, checking in, or some small opening before anything deeper happens, it seems. If communication comes, I'd pay attention to whether they actually take responsibility rather than simply saying they miss you. And now let's come back to those two things I teased at the beginning because I want to read those energy as well. First, what would they say if the pride disappeared? The strongest message feels like, I know I hurt you. I don't know if I still have the right to come back. 10 of Pentacles, 4 of Wands here. Okay, that is different from someone who simply wants affection and attention. It shows awareness of the damage and fear of facing your response. Okay, fear of facing your response. Second, why are they staying away? Because they are unsure whether you would even want to hear from them anymore or not. Your silence has taken away their certainty. They don't know whether you are waiting for them or finally done waiting. Okay, so if this reading resonated, like the video, subscribe for more reading, guys, and thank you so much for being here today, staying with me, because the energies truly feels very powerful over here. The strongest signs that I see is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, very, very, very strongly. I see Aquarius as well, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn as well, very strongly. The signs over here for the Four of Wands and Ten of Pentacles is also very strong, because I do see that this person, when they come back, okay, they're afraid, but when they will come back, okay, they are going to propose to you, because this is a long term, 4 to 10 days at the max. Their distance may be hiding a difficult realization, okay? Right now, that's what I feel. They may still care, but they know coming back requires more than feelings, it requires honesty right now. And that is your guidance as well, by the way, guys. So let me ask you one thing. If this person reached out today and finally admitted what they did to you, would you want the conversation to carry on, or would you just want to close that forever? The spell that I'm going to suggest you is 7 days love obsession spell work in this particular situation. And if you would like to get a personal reading, the details are mentioned down below in the description box. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much. This is Luna the Moon Tarot taking your leave right now. Bye bye.